Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Balckpool Seat. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site on a beautiful day. We've got cars in the forecourt. Some of them are in prep process and workshop. As you can see, we've got them on the front. And we also have the SUV event on present. So if you subscribe to our YouTube channel or you go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com and have a look at the information on the SUV event we've got, that'll give you some more information. And in the meantime, we have got this beautiful 2019 Seat Cupra Lux 290. It's a TSI edition and it is absolutely stunning. Obviously the 5-door hatch, it's a 2-litre petrol, 7-speed automatic, magnetic grey with the copper fills, copper wing mirrors, copper wheel caps, copper badges. It also has a panoramic roof. It's got quite a few additions to this one, hence why it's on the Automart website rather than the Seat website, because obviously it's got a few modifications and additions to the performance. So which I'll tell you about now. So it's got bucket seats, stage 1 ECU and TCU, so that's at 372 brake horsepower. I'm on Mountone ×3 induction kit, RAMAIR turbo elbow and intake hose, and then you've got some of the standard features as well, which include digital dash, cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, sat nav, full link, which is your Apple CarPlay, and Android facilities. You've got the new edition black splitter at the back and your exhaust system. 19-inch alloys, again with the copper badges on the side. You've also got your front skirt as well. As you can see, it is a stunning car and it's awesome to drive. Just have a look at the boot for you. So a good sized boot, 60-40 split on the back seats. You got your spare wheel underneath the boot floor. Going into the interior, Cupra design embossed, and it's all leather and suede interior with the carbon fibre trim and then the white stitching as well. Cupra door sills illuminated. There's your roof, and fully automated tilt and slide and opens. Your automatic gear shift, electric parking brake and auto start stop. Two USB ports and an auxiliary, plus your wireless phone charging station as well. Aircon, climate control, sports mode, as well as your other driver select modes. Colour screen console in the centre. So obviously you got all your apps there, your full link, your sat nav, radio, DAB. Then coming across to your digital dash. So on the right hand of your steering wheel, you can change your viewing options and information options depending on what you want displayed at any given time. Entirely up to you. Left hand wand is your indicators and beam settings. You've got your shift paddle just behind the wheel. Underneath the wand you've got your cruise control settings. Left under the steering wheel you've got your hands-free Bluetooth and volume controls. Again, right under the wheel you've got your console controls, or your digital dash, sorry. Right hand one, windscreen wipers and washers, and your shift paddle again just behind the wheel. Automatic headlights a bit further on your right, and then in the door, central locking, wing mirrors and windows. If you just have a listen. Sounds excellent. Obviously I can't do the accelerator and film the exhaust at the same time because I'm not that stretchy. Well, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys you can take for a test drive, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.